school did you go to? Where school you go? Because me, I went to Presec, and today I'm going to expose them. Okay, relax. Today I'm going to expose, I'm going to pull back the veil and give you a peep into what goes on, or what the school has been doing consistently for the past 10 years. For the past 10 years, the school has been doing something very cool for its alumni. This year, I was there in person to witness and go undercover, alright? So I've seen everything they do, and I want to let you guys in. The people who didn't go to good schools, alright? If you didn't go to Presec, you didn't go to a good school, so that's the mark. Alright, so we all know that if you graduate from Presec, you are automatically an Odadie. But one thing you may not know is to be an official Odadie, or to be officially initiated into the Odadie fraternity, 10 years need to go by. I graduated in 2017, which leaves only 2 years ahead of me to become an Odadie. So in 2027, I will be initiated into the fraternity. All right. Yeah, so this year marked the 10th year after the 2015 class of students graduated. So it was their year. And I was in attendance to witness everything that goes on during this bonfire night. It was nothing short of incredible. It was so fun. So the event was supposed to start at 6 p.m. and so I got there at 6 p.m. I decided to roam the school a little because I hadn't been in the school since I finished. When I finished Presec, I said no. I won't because although the experience was fun, it was traumatizing. It wasn't all good. The training was intense. In hindsight, I really think I should have made more friends, but again, that's a story for another day. So when I got there, I just roamed around. So after my tour, I decided to finally go and join the event, and this is how that went. The procession began.